In front of me is REALME 16 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it here, a quick tip, tap on this icon at the top left corner and click on it here, or to add it to your suggestion strip, just hold it and drag it. Either way, click on Clipboard and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Then go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. So now let's use it. To do that, copy or cut any text. To paste anything you cut or copy it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To do that later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your clip over here. Now, super important, your clip will disappear after an hour unless you pin it. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. When you no longer need it, you can unpin it the same way. You can also paste it by holding it and tapping on paste in the pop-up. Not sure why, because as I mentioned before, you can just tap on it to paste it. Now, by holding it, you can also edit your clip, hit save to save your changes, and delete it. You can also delete it by swiping it to the right or to the left. If you want to pin or delete multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, select your things from Clipboard, and use one of those options, pin or delete. Finally, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!